Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reset Ubuntu. The first thing is to have the USB with the Ubuntu ISO image connected, then open the terminal from Activities. After this, execute the command sudo dconf reset-f/. Press enter and enter your password. After, reboot the system. You are going to choose the Ubuntu language and click on Install Ubuntu. Defines the keyboard language. Now you can choose the way to install the system. Click Continue. It is super important that in this section you activate the box, erase Ubuntu, and reinstall. You must confirm this process. Choose your location. Now let's create the user with the desired password. After that, when you click Continue, the installation of Ubuntu will begin. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Here you will see that everything necessary is installed for the system to work as it should. When the installation is complete, click Restart Now. You will see that the Ubuntu environment loads. Sign in with the user you created and complete the initial setup. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.